Today we are going to learn how to swap faces on images and videos. This would be our image. Please focus on the right person, and we will take this woman's face and replace on the right person. So this will be our result. And next we will do a similar process with a video. So this woman singing a song, and we will swap her face with another face, as you can see right now. And basically we are getting the same video, what with a total different face. Let's hear the result.
Yesterday's paper, telling yesterday's news.
As always, let's start with the installation part. So let's start with the installation. So this will be our guided instruction file. As you can see, this file is named installed instruction, and it is under the FaceFusion subfolder. Also, what we need as well is our media files. So here we have some images and some videos that we will use in order to do the FaceFusion or the deepfake process. As always, I will leave a link in this video description to all the files, all the required files, so you can download and do it on your local machine. But let's start from the beginning. We have to create a Conda environment. So let's run Anaconda, and we have to run this Anaconda prompt. And this will be our Anaconda prompt. So let's copy and paste the first command, conda create --name. It will be named, the new environment will be named FaceFusion, and it will be based on Python 3.10. So let's run it. So we created a new Conda environment, and let's activate this Conda environment. Of course, we have the same command here. Let's copy and paste. And now, as you can see, we are running on the FaceFusion new environment. Okay, let's clear everything. Let's continue. Next, we have to clone this repo named FaceFusion, and in order to do that we have to choose a folder, a working folder. I prefer to go all my tutorials run on the Python cool stuff, so I prefer to run this command here, and this would clone all the information, all the relevant Python libraries to here, to the Python cool stuff subfolder. I've already done that, so let's just skip and continue to the next process, which is go inside this subfolder. So now, as you can see, we have all the relevant information here, and we are ready to continue to the next phase. The next step is installation all the applications. So in order to do that, we have to run python install.py. Okay, so let's go here and let's copy this command, and now we have to wait that the installation process will finish. We have to choose our CUDA environment. As you can see, I have two CUDAs. I have the CUDA 12.2, and also I have a previous version 11.8. You should choose your own one. I will choose CUDA 12.2. Okay, so after several minutes the process has finished, and I believe that we are ready to run the app in the first time. Let's go back to the instruction file. As you can see, now we have to type Python run.py. So let's type it, Python run.py. And after a few seconds it generates a local URL. So let's copy this URL, edit, copy, and let's open our browser and let's go to a fresh tab and run this URL. As you can see, now we are ready to start the deepfake process, and we finish the installation, and let's continue to the next step. Okay, so let's start. The first step would be changing someone a face, replacing a face on a specific image. All the process will be documented in the same instruction file. So after you open this FaceFusion app, we need to choose one of the images. I will take an image. I will choose an image. This would be our example. I will choose this image as our target face. As you can see, we have two faces and we would like to replace only one of the faces. Let's replace this face, and we will take this woman and we use this face in order to replace the previous image. And as I said earlier, we have two faces and we would like to replace only one of the faces. So let's start. First of all, we have to choose the source, our source image. So this would be our source image. Let's drag it to here. And next we have to copy the target image. So these are two girls. Let's copy to here. So we have our source image and we have the target image. Now we have to wait. As you can see on the right side, do some processing. Let's wait a few more seconds, and as you can see on the reference face, it discovered two faces. And now we have to choose which face we would like to focus on, and we would like this one. So I will click on this one, and once again we will wait a few more seconds for the processing. And now, as you can see on the right side, on the upper right side, it already replaced the image of this girl with this face. And basically what we need to do, if everything seems okay, it's only a preview, we would like to generate the final image. So we will click here, start, and once again we have to wait a few more seconds. And as you can see, this is the final image. But let's add a few more parameters. I really recommend to click here for face enhancer. And another important, as you can see, when I choose face enhancer, there are several pre-trained model of choosing how to enhance face. The default is GFP GAN 1.4. We can leave it as the default, it's okay. But another important issue is here. If you have a CUDA installed on your local machine, and of course if you have a GPU card, it prefer to check the CUDA. You can also leave the CPU as well, but CUDA is preferred, and now it will run faster. All the process that I mentioned earlier will run faster. Once again, it's here, click the start. So it's finished. If it will take more time, it's only because of we had the face enhancer that improve the result. And now we can download here the file and open the file, and as you can see, a great result. Let's once again open the previous, the original image. So this is the original image. Once again, let's reduce it, and now you can see side by side. This is the original image and this is the final image. Great result. Let's move to the next step, and now we would like to do a FaceFusion process or deepfake process on a video, not only on a single image but on a video. So let's click here to delete the source and also here to delete the target. Once again, let's open our demo files, and as you can see here, I have a video file of a lady plays a guitar, and what we would like to do is replace the face of the lady in this video. So basically it would be the same process. As for the source, we will use the same still image of this person, and as a target we will use this video face3.mp4. But let's move the frames a little bit so we will see an image. And since we have only one person, we don't have to choose the face. It automatically, as you can see here, replace it with our source image. Let's move a little bit the video to frame number 113. Once again, you can see that it been already been replaced. Very cool result. Once again, it's important to use the face swapper and the face enhancer. It should be enabled, and also the CUDA and the CPU as well. We have two parameters that are relevant to this process. The reference face distance, you can play with it and it will look in a more high, let's say, radius on the image to find the image from the center. And the next one is the face mask blur. When you are replacing a face, sometimes there are some the edges between the face and the rest of the head maybe appear, so you can play with this mask blur to make the result more, let's say, more perfect. Let's enlarge it to 0.8, and I believe let's make this 0.7. You can play with these variables, with these parameters, and now we can click the start button. And as you can see here, the process has started. It may take several seconds and maybe several minutes, depend on your GPU card. You can also look here at this uncode the prompt, and it displayed the log and the progress of the whole process. So let's leave it like this and wait until the transformation will be finished. So the process is finished. Let's cover this log to understand what happened here. So our video is in this resolution and on 24 frames per second. So basically, and it's combined of 1609 frames. So the first process was extracting the video into those 1,609 frames, and then it ran for two processes. One, the face swapper, that means that for each of the frames the face was swapped or changed to our required face, and then the process, all the images went through another process, which is the face enhancer. And after that, the process merged all the images back to one video. And if we will go back to our app, you can see the result is here. We can click here and play and see the result. As you can see, the face of our source image was put inside and replaced the original image. And at last you can click here and download the full video. And now let's see the final result. We will start with the original video. So this is the original girl in the original video, and this is after the face was swapped. And you can now see both video together next to each other. On the left upper corner, of course, this is the original video, and the bigger image is the final result after swapping the faces. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. You are most welcome to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.